Stanley, I need your help. Something's wrong with me.
Oh, I know that.
Let's be serious, please. I've been feeling super tired. I'm sneezing like crazy. And my nose won't stop running.
Oh my God, Zoey, that's really bad.
I knew it. What is it?
Well, it sounds like a classic case of the sniffles.
The sniffles?
Yeah, it's a gateway illness.
A gateway to what?
Total body shutdown. I'm so sorry, Zoey.
What?
I've seen it before. First the sneezing, then the endless tissue usage.
Oh, God.
By tomorrow, you won't even recognize yourself.
Stanley, stop. What do I do?
There's only one cure.
Tell me.
Pineapple soup, lots of it.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, you also need bed rest.
You had me thinking I was dying.
Technically, we are all dying, Zoey.
Not the time for philosophy. Stanley.
Fine, it's just a cold.
Ugh, you're the worst.
And yet, I'm still your first call when you're panicking.
Fair.
Feel better, Zoey. And remember, pineapple soup.
I hate you.
That's just the sniffles talking. Follow the chat for Saga on social media.